Part 2. Place words. Words 11 through 20. Now let's learn common places. 11. Home. Example: I am at home. 12. School. Example: my school is big. 13. Office. Example: he goes to the office. 14. Market. Example: I buy food from the market. 15. Hospital. Example: the hospital is nearby. 16. Shop. Example: this shop is nice. 17. Park. Example: children play in the park. 18. Road. Example: the road is long. 19. Room. Example: my room is clean. 20. City. Example: Dhaka is a busy city. Speaking practice. I am at home. My school is big. The park is beautiful. Excellent. Part 3. Common question words. Words 21 through 30. These words are very important for speaking. 21. What? Example: what is your name? 22. Where? Example: where are you from? 23. When? Example: when will you come? 24. Why? Example: why are you sad? 25. How? Example: how are you? 26. Who? Example: who is that person? 27. Which? Example: which book do you like? 28. Answer. Example: please answer the question. 29. Question. Example: I have a question. 30. Help. Example: can you help me? Practice questions. What is your name? Where do you live? How are you today? Very good. Part 4. Useful daily words. Words 31 to 40. These words are used everywhere. 31. Need. Example: I need water. 32. Want. Example: I want to learn English. 33. Like. Example: I like tea. 34. Love. Example: I love my family. 35. Work. Example: I work every day. 36. Study. Example: I study English. 37. Play. Example: children play outside. 38. Buy. Example: I buy fruits. 39. Sell. Example: they sell clothes. 40. Enjoy. Example: I enjoy this lesson. Speaking practice. I want to learn English. I need help. I enjoy studying. Perfect. Final ending. Congratulations! Now you learned 40 more important English words for beginners. These words will help you speak English in daily life. Practice every day and repeat aloud. Remember, vocabulary is the key to English fluency. Thank you for watching English Boost Motivation. If you like this video, like, comment, Part 2 is helpful, subscribe for Part 3. See you soon. Goodbye. English words you must know. Beginner. Part 2 script. 40 more daily use words. Slow English speaking practice. English Boost Motivation. Hello everyone. Welcome back to English Boost Motivation. This is part 2 of our lesson, English Words You Must Know for Beginners. In the last video, we learned 50 important English words. Today, we will learn 40 more common words that you need in daily life. So let's start slowly. Repeat after me and practice every word. Part 1. Time and day words. Words 1 through 10. These words help you talk about time. Number 1. Today. Example: today is a good day. Number 2. Tomorrow. Example: I will go tomorrow. Number 3. Yesterday. Example: yesterday was busy. Number 4. Morning. Example: I wake up in the morning. Number 5. Afternoon. Example: good afternoon. Number 6. Evening. Example: I study in the evening. Number 7. Night. Example: good night. Number 8. Week. Example: I work every week. Number 9. Month. Example: this month is January. Number 10. Year. Example: Happy New Year. Practice. Today, tomorrow, yesterday. Great!